Hey y'all!
Hey!
It's Dakota and Lauren. And today, yes, he's Dakota, I'm Lauren. Today we're bringing you April's BOXYCHARM unboxing!
Ooh.
Super excited about this. It's springtime, and so I'm hoping there's some springy makeup, so maybe some, you don't know what that means. He's giving me that look of confusion. Anyways, but maybe some light colors, something fun, something gets you ready for the springtime. So we are going to, I already cut the tape. Wahaha. We're going to take a look in here. And, ooh, this is new. Okay, so y'all remember the cards, how they used to just list everything in your face whenever you open the box? Now it's in this handy dandy little thing that has the details on the inside, which I do not want to look at because I don't want to spoil her. So we're going to set this aside.
Bulletins.
We'll go back there in a minute. Okay, so when I open it up, this is what we're looking at. It looks exciting on the inside. There we go. Let's see here. Just gonna grab this one.
Ooh.
Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Alright, so we're looking liquid lipstick. Let's see what color. I feel like these colors are always brown whenever they come in boxes.
I'll do the prices.
You'll do the prices? This is the liquid lipstick by Adesse, so it's cool. Actually, I've never had anything by Adesse before, but it's a BOXYCHARM, so I'm assuming it's fairly fancy. Ooh, that's a good spring color. Kind of a light pink, maybe a hint of brown in that light pink. Nice, pretty looking tube there. Let's open it up and see. Did you find it on there?
I did.
How much is it?
Take a guess.
$25.
Ooh, you're so close. It's $24.
Ooh, it smells good.
If you're in the Price is Right, you would have lost. Ooh,
smells
like I could eat it, but don't.
Smells minty. I like it.
Well, you might be able to.
No. Anyways, that's Adesse, $24 liquid lipstick. Excited about that. I wonder if it dries to a matte
also,
or to what?
A fun fact. Cruelty-free.
Oh,
Gluten-free, if you want to eat it. And paraben-free.
Paraben. No parabens, no animals, no gluten.
And
what do you have left?
complaint. European complaint. EU complaint.
Compliant. Alright, next thing on the thing. Made in China, but designed in California. Brow Gel. Tanya Crooks. The Instant Brow Hair. Tinted Micro Fibers Brow Gel. Interesting. So this is gel with microfibers inside of it. I don't actually do my eyebrows, so I'll probably give this to a friend.
Did it come in a package?
Nope. Just like this. It's packaged. It's sealed. So it comes sealed. It's brow gel with fibers inside of it. I don't do the brows, but that's cool.
Someone does.
Microfibers in your brows seems like a better idea than microfibers in your eyelashes. I tried a mascara with microfibers in the eyelashes, and it was a very itchy eye experience. But since it's in your eyebrow, it's probably worked fine.
What are they called? Micro what?
Microfibers, little bitty.
I want macro fibers on my eyelashes.
That's called false lashes.
There's
How much is it?
Oh yeah, don't look.
I already did.
Oh, $22.
Woohoo!
Tinted eyebrow gel.
Okay. Let's go with the next thing that looks very similar. We kind of have like a black box theme in this. Tarte High Performance Naturals TARTEIST Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, this is exciting. I've never actually bought a Tarte highlighter before because they're kind of pricey. But I do have a Tarte blush and I like it. And I really love liquid highlighter, so I'm super excited about this. TARTEIST Pro Glow. Don't look at my chip nails. This is exciting. Look. It's pretty.
Ooh.
I like the colors.
Guess the price.
$18.
Nope. But you didn't lose because you went under, and it is $29.
Oh wow. Ooh. I like it. So
What is
here's
it?
what it looks. It's a liquid highlight. I like that a lot. That looks really pretty. Good summery, springy color. Kind of gives you that glow. Look at that.
For your book nerds
Doesn't smell
out
like
there,
anything.
you don't use it for your books. So I can say that because I read books. But I don't use highlighters. I use pencils.
Oh yeah,
like a
you're
man.
a pencil guy. All right, let's pull out this next big thing here. Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Pores No More. Sounds so violent. Okay. It's a pore purifying mask. pore mask. It's just purified.
It's a pore one?
It's a pore one. It's for oily or combination skin.
Ooh.
So I'm thinking very drying, but in a good way, mask right here. By Dr. Brandt.
Branded. Roll the R.
Brandt.
I can't do it, so. Guess how much it is?
Dr. Brandt is expensive, so probably 23.
Ooh, should have went higher like Dr. Scholl's because it is 47.
Oh my goodness, for this size?
Price of my rent.
What? Was that for 1 ounce?
The price?
Yeah.
Doesn't say. But it's the same picture. So.
Okay. Wow. So this little puppy by itself was worth 47 bucks. That's expensive. Cool. Let's see what it looks like. Is it clay? Oh, it's sealed. Let's unseal it.
Claymation. Can I smell it?
Yep. Smells.
That is awful.
It smells horrible.
But just imagine, because you won't be smelling it, you'll just be putting it on your face.
Yeah. Is there anything in it?
Ooh.
Oh, it's one of these kind of silicone-y looking masks. Look at that, y'all.
That looks just like super glue.
Yep. I think that's why it's pores no more. Let's see if we peel it off our faces or if we wash it off. Like
then
with liquid.
we'll try it with super glue to see if there's a difference.
Okay, after cleansing, so you wash your face, apply a thin layer to the areas of concern, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse with warm water and pat dry.
Does the price of it change if I tell you that it is award-winning?
Ooh.
Award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist. Unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface.
Interesting. Well, what'd you say?
It's Angela's favorite.
It's Angel's favorite?
Angela. From The Office.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's see what's left. Oh, this is probably... I'm really excited about the highlighter, but this looks really exciting too. ColourPop Semi-Precious Shadow Palette. It's an eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. And I have never tried ColourPop because you have to order them online. But I have heard of a lot of ladies that do and they really like it. So I'm super excited about this. Let's open it up and see what it looks like.
Looks like the same.
Looks just like the package.
Why would you do that? You know, I'm just going to pause and talk about branding really quick. Why would you put the same... Because, you know, it's kind of like if you opened up a gift, right? And the gift looked exactly like the wrapping paper. That makes sense.
So, like, you're giving somebody the gift of a newspaper subscription, but you wrap it in newspaper.
Better. It's kind of... Oh, yes. Or it's like wearing flesh-colored clothes. It has no purpose.
Reminds me of that Seinfeld episode where George goes streaking in a flesh-colored suit. Anyways, moving on. Alright, Semi-Precious ColourPop palette. Super excited. These look gorgeous. Look at these colors, y'all. Like, that just...
Red, yellow, black, and white. They are precious.
Anyways, this looks super exciting. Let's see what they... Ooh, they're so soft. Here, let me use your wrist, inside part. What? Just roll your hand this way. We're going to swatch them for you. Dakota's going to be our model here. Okay. Here, no, bring it back. I'm going to swatch all of them and then you can show them.
Oh.
Ooh, they're super creamy. Which one's your favorite so far?
The silver one.
Silver.
Reminds me of Silver Surfer.
I don't know what that is.
Superhero. But was a villain. He controls cosmic powers.
Oh, so if he was a superhero and then he turned to not... Wait, he was a villain and then he turned to be a superhero? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Just like Megamind. He was the villain
Or was he always
turned
the
out
hero?
to be a superhero.
Or was he always a hero on the inside?
Okay, so some of them swatch a little bit easier than others, but most of them seem like they come off really well. Now you can show off your wrist.
My arm doesn't turn that way.
Here, just hold your... Just do this. Like a high five. Like this. Hi.
Oh.
No, not with your hand. Can you not do that? What? Just put your... Oh, like you're a swan.
Sorry, I've never been a swan before.
Anyways, I'm super excited to try this palette. Okay, you're good.
Well, I've already tried it, so.
Yeah, and it looks great on his arm, so hopefully it'll look just as good on my eyeballs.
Don't put it on your eyeballs. My goodness, no. Advise against. Advise against. Do not put it on your eyeballs.
Okay, fine. I'll just put it on my eyelids.
We don't want that challenge. We just got through the Tide Pod challenge.
The whole face eyeshadow challenge, right? Just kidding. We already had the whole face highlight challenge, and that was just crazy because everybody looked like a giant glow ball. So, super excited about this. I really, really like this box.
It's a glow ball.
I don't even know. Anyways.
I do like the box, but it looks exactly like all the other boxes that they sent.
Yes, I'm talking about what's inside the box.
Is what matters.
Yep.
Organs.
Anyways, let's look at this real quick. Dakota already gave us our prices, although you didn't give us the price for the eyeshadow palette.
Nope, don't look. Drum roll. No, not you. The audience.
Oh.
Thank you. Take a guess at what the price is.
$22.
Ooh, you're close. Should have went a little higher. It is $26 for each color.
What?
I'm joking. It's $26 total.
26 total?
Yep.
All right. Well, you know, if I get hooked on this, then I have to order through ColourPop online.
Valentina's favorite. Good going, Valentina. Good choice.
Good color.
Do people get paid to have a favorite?
I don't know.
Maybe I should do makeup. Oh, look at this. On the back, you get coupons.
Coupons. We all love a good coupon.
VIP offer.
VIP.
I don't know what that means. Now it says VIP. If
VIP,
it was
VIP,
VIP, it would have dots between them. 10%
10%
off. Tarte High Performance Naturals.
So 10% off on an order for Tarte through BOXYCHARM using their code there. Don't show them the code. It's a secret.
Oh.
Just kidding. It's fine. And then you also have a Dr. Brandt branded VIP offer through Sephora. So you scan the QR code to unlock exclusive giveaways and promos with BOXYCHARM. So that's super exciting. Love it. Super excited about this box. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. And
Click like.
be sure and
Subscribe.
Click subscribe so you can see all of our upcoming videos that should increase since it's almost summertime and I'm going to have hopefully more free time on my hands to make videos. And until next time, remember, you are beautiful.